Hey Nomads, Kelly here again, coming at you with another educational video on how to use your essential oils. Today we're going to be talking about how to use essential oils internally. One of the reasons why I chose to partner with doTERRA and why I continue to purchase my essential oils from them over any other company is that they're some of the only essential oils out there on the market today that can be safely ingested. Next time you're out and about in the world, I encourage you to pick up a bottle of essential oil that you find lying around on any old shelf and take a look at the warning label on the back. Chances are with most essential oil bottles that you find out there, they're going to have some kind of scary warning label that says something like, keep out of reach of children, or harmful if swallowed, or my personal favorite, flammable. This is supposed to be an all naturally occurring compound from a plant. If there's something that's flammable in here, I probably shouldn't be putting it on topically, diffusing it in the air, let alone taking it internally, right? So what I love so much about doTERRA's essential oils specifically is that they're all certified pure therapeutic grade, meaning that you can use them topically, aromatically, as well as internally. If you have more questions about which essential oils to use internally, you can feel free to reach out to me or just simply read the back of your label. It should say something about a supplement fact right on there if it's safe for you to take it internally. A lot of people get a little thrown off when we talk about taking essential oils internally, and I think it's just because we're not quite sure what to do. I know in the beginning I felt very overwhelmed and I wasn't quite sure how to even go about taking them internally, so I needed a little bit of extra help. That's what I'm hoping to provide for you here today. One of my favorite ways to use essential oils internally is just daily in my water. So you'll see here I have a mason jar with about 8 ounces of water in it. I'm going to put 1 drop of lemon essential oil in here. Lemon is one of my favorite citrus essential oils because it's very uplifting. It's also a really gentle detoxifier. So it's a great essential oil to have as you're sipping on your water throughout the day to help keep your body hydrated and to help kind of flush out any toxins that don't really need to be in there. So you'll notice I added just 1 single drop of doTERRA lemon essential oil to my water, and that's it. Now, I've used an essential oil internally. Easy enough, right? If you are going to be using your essential oils internally and you're going to be drinking them in your water, I strongly suggest that you use glass or stainless steel only. The reason for that is because the power of the lemon essential oil can actually disintegrate some of the synthetics and chemical compounds that you might find in plastics and aluminum. So just stick with glass or stainless steel. It's better for the environment anyway, and plus I think your water just tastes better out of glass or stainless steel, but that could just be me. Another really easy way to use your essential oils internally is by putting them under your tongue. You want to be mindful of which essential oils you're using under your tongue, as some of them can be what we consider hot oils and might be a little intense and cause some slight irritation to the sensitive skin in your mouth. But for most essential oils that you're going to be taking, for example, copaiba, which is one of my daily essential oils, and it's really great for calming like anxious feelings, super helpful for total body wellness. I use a dropper top for this one to make it easier to place under my tongue. So it just replaces the cap of the essential oil bottle, just like this. And I'll link up below where you can purchase them if you'd like some on your own. And all you do is use it just like a little medicine dropper. Usually I have a mirror when I do this, so bear with me if I get it all over my face. Just like that, right under the tongue. Super easy, and it's a really, really great way to get essential oils into your body, into your bloodstream, to let them do all of their work. When you put an essential oil under your tongue, it only takes about 10 to 30 seconds for it to start reaching all of the cells in your body and really go to work on repairing things and really just supporting your total body wellness. Another super easy way to use essential oils internally is by cooking with them. You can use almost any essential oil in lieu of an herb, a spice, or even a fruit juice that you would use instead. For example, one of my favorite dishes to make is a vegetable risotto in my Instant Pot. If you don't have an Instant Pot and you're a full-time RVer, you definitely need one, by the way. This is not a sponsored post. But I like to just throw the rice and all my veggies in the Instant Pot, and then when it's all finished, I add a drop of black pepper, a drop of basil, and a drop of rosemary. Oh, so good. And I can use that instead of fresh herbs, which can often be really hard to find as we're on the road and can be even harder to keep fresh as we're transitioning from one place to the next and we don't have electricity and, you know. A final way that you can use your essential oils internally is by adding different drops of essential oils to an empty vegetable capsule. These can be purchased at just about any health food store out there and make it super convenient for taking essential oils internally that you maybe don't really love the taste of or don't want to have to bother with doing drops under your tongue or adding it to your water or cooking. There's a whole bunch of different health concerns that can be addressed and supported by using essential oils internally. And if you're not quite sure which concoction might be best for you and your specific health goals, reach out to me and I'd love to support you and give you a little free wellness consultation so that we can figure out what that looks like for you. I hope this video helped you understand a little bit more about the different ways you can use your essential oils internally and gave you some information about what to look for so that you're not out there taking anything that might be harmful to you. head on over to the wholesomenomad.com and you can find me there or any of your social media platforms. Also be sure to hit subscribe below so you get notified each time I launch a new video. We'll check in soon. Happy travels!